So now showing you the home for the 6th edition of our signature collection. We are in the center of Poyensa, which is one of the favorite villages of our owners. This townhouse is already renovated, but it will need to get a bit of charm injected by August. It was initially listed for over 1.6 million and we negotiated well under that price, so it's a really good buy. I mean, it's not bought yet, it will undergo due diligence, but our offer was accepted. And it's really great. And I personally came to see it because I wanted to be sure of the space, and I can guarantee you that the feeling in this home is really nice. So here in the living space, it opens onto that patio. It feels way smaller than what it is in video. No, it feels way bigger than how it feels in video, sorry, otherwise that would be a problem. Of course, we need to dress it, right? So you need to imagine that it will be way more green. We will need to rethink a little bit, you know, that's older home. That sitting area, you obviously won't have any of the furniture. Here you have a built-in banquet. I don't know if we'll keep it and how we think about it, but we will definitely want to have an extended version of, you know, indoor, outdoor feeling, with like a nice built-in area where you can have an aperitif, tan, read a book by the pool. That is small plunge pool, but nonetheless a pool still, very much the same size of a lot of our other signature homes. So here, let me take you upstairs. Here we're very close to two of other August homes that we've done, and always the main compliment we get is the location. So we're confident that as an owner in this collection, you will love it. So here is the first floor where we have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So here's one. Again, you need to imagine that we will rethink the decor. We'll change quite a bit of things. But what is nice with this home is that they really kept the authentic details of a Mallorcan home. So there's fans, but there is integrated AC everywhere, which is great. So I'm not sure why they're putting also fans, but we'll make sure that there's enough AC throughout. This is the family bathroom. Again, nice hydraulic taps. Very nice details here. Another bedroom. So what feels really great in this property is all the rooms are big. So here you look at the patio. Yeah, so you really have built-in storage, large bedroom everywhere, which is great. Again, it feels very bare like this. So that's where the August magic will happen. In the living room, we will also change how the setup is done. But we have the space and we definitely have the bones to do something really great. So here we're on the master suite, so you have a little terrace that overlooks a really nice view, actually. And then this is the bedroom. Again, another really large space. Really nice windows. And here, a bathroom that is comfortably the size of a bedroom. So again, really great. We'll make it a bit more cozy and charming. And at the top, you have a rooftop, which is a really nice bonus. Not something that we get for all our homes. And you have really superb views. You even have views, that's where the main square is. So that's really nice. And you can imagine that, you know, we would probably put another sun tanning area. So voila, this is the home. Really happy to see it. It definitely feels great inside, and I'm confident we'll turn into a super home.